What's going on, you awesome creators, and welcome to January 2018. Hope you guys had an amazing holiday season with many awesome memories and time spent with family. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys up to. I'd love to hear from you. But for now, let's roll that intro and jump into the video. Alright guys, so as you probably saw, today we're talking about bullet journaling. Why I'm doing bullet journaling in 2018, why I think you guys should, and why I think it's perfect for creatives and architecture professionals and students. Bullet journaling, guys, is a flexible and simple and effective way of keeping track of all your thoughts. And that's why I think it's perfect to start in 2018. This is going to allow you to increase your productivity and stay on task more often. In this way, it's going to really simplify your life, really focus on the things that really matter in 2018. But most of all, guys, a bullet journal and the system of doing things is going to make you stay mindful of the things that you're accomplishing. I'm going to jump into this in a minute, but let's break down what a bullet journal is to begin with. A bullet journal usually consists of 4 to 5 different sections. Firstly, you have the index, a future log, a monthly log, a daily log, and then collections. I'm going to go into these in a little bit of depth. So your index is basically like any other book that you've come across. The index is just a breakdown of things that you're going to find in your bullet journal, with a page number that references those. Yes, this kind of means that you need to draw in page numbers into your own bullet journal, but it really only takes a couple seconds each day. Your next up is your future log. This isn't something I normally use too much, but the future log is basically a piling of all upcoming events and appointments and tasks that need to be completed, yet to be scheduled into your daily or monthly logs. In this way, it's a great overall snapshot of the upcoming months. Next up, guys, we've got the monthly log. This is one that I do use quite heavily, and the monthly log is obviously a snapshot of everything you're going to be doing in that month. It's kind of like a calendar and a to-do list all rolled into one. The next one, guys, is the daily log. This is where you guys are going to be spending the bulk of your time, is in the daily log. This is where you'll input different entries, whether they be appointments, meetings, tasks to be completed, notes, or any other kind of thing. These are all associated with a different symbol of your choosing. I use squares to dictate tasks, triangles for appointments, circles for events, and then a dashed line for notes. If it's an urgent event, then I'll put a couple exclamation marks next to it as well. This is where the flexibility kind of plays into it. You guys can dictate your own symbols. I know on the bulletjournal.com website, they actually use different symbols for their method of doing things. Now, these symbols are also awesome for keeping track of what's been completed. So as I complete a meeting, appointment, or a task, I'll actually hatch or shade that particular symbol in. In this way, it helps me to keep accountable for all the things that are completed that day. As you run into a new day, you can then migrate tasks from a pre-existing day over into the current day you're working on. In this way, you are kept mindful of the things that should be completed and perhaps the things that you need to let go in order to focus on things that are more productive. Finally, guys, the last section of the bullet journal contains collections. Collections can range from shopping lists to design sketches, concept diagrams, floor plans, whatever you like. They're a collection of your ideas and thoughts. Collections are an awesome way to kind of have a section dedicated to all the things that are important to you without clogging up all your daily logs section. This is another reason why I'm so looking forward to bullet journaling in 2018. For me, guys, bullet journaling seems like a formalization of all the things I've been doing previously. Bullet journaling takes my sketching and my sketchbook as well as the to-do lists that I draw up every single day and compiles them into one succinct notebook. So let me know, guys, is this something that appeals to you? Are you guys going to be bullet journaling in 2018? Do you guys want more information on that? Let me know in the comments down below. If you would also like to see an overview of my bullet journal, leave a comment down below. I'm more than happy to produce a video going over my bullet journal and how I've laid it up with my different trackers, daily logs, and collections. Alternatively, there is heaps of inspiration online, guys. Anyway, guys, that's gonna wrap us up for today. A huge shout out and thank you to all the subscribers that we gained last year. Stay tuned for 2018. 2018 is going to be huge. I've got some amazing projects kind of lined up and starting to organize right now. Till next time, guys, have an awesome week and I'll see you guys on the next video.